Every day, millions of apps and websites go live, from banking to e-commerce to healthcare. But before they reach you, they go through one critical process: software testing.
Software testing is the process of checking if software works correctly, without bugs, crashes, or errors. Testers make sure every feature runs smoothly, giving users a perfect experience.
Today, most companies use automation testing, where tools like Selenium, Cypress, or Playwright automatically test hundreds of features in minutes. It saves time, increases accuracy, and helps software reach the market faster.
With every company going digital, the demand for skilled automation testers is growing faster than ever. From startups to tech giants, everyone needs testers to keep their products bug-free.
If you want a career that blends logic, technology, and creativity, software testing is for you. Learn automation tools, get certified, and step into one of the most demanded careers in tech today.